Advanced Orthomolecular Research AOR R-Lipoic Acid, 150 mg, 90 vegetarian capsules. Product Overview Description. Supports normal energy production. Premium dietary supplement. Vegan, non-GMO, gluten-free, delayed release, GMP manufacturing, quality assured, independent testing. Discussion. AOR's R-Lipoic acid has the natural R form of this vital nutrient produced in the body, unlike other supplements which also contain equal amounts of the synthetic, inactive form. The natural R form is more potent than the S form, and that in some cases the S form interferes with R-Lipoic acid's actions in the body. Suggested use. Take one capsule 1 to 3 times a day without food, or as directed by a qualified healthcare practitioner. Other ingredients: organic rice hulls, dicalcium phosphate and capsule, gellan gum, hypromellose and purified water. AOR guarantees that all ingredients have been declared on the label. Made without wheat, gluten, corn, nuts, peanuts, sesame seeds, sulfites, mustard, soy, dairy, eggs, fish, shellfish or any animal byproduct. Warnings. Consult your physician if you are pregnant, lactating, if you have a medical condition, or if you're taking any medication. Keep out of reach of children. If you experience sweating, paleness, chills, headaches, dizziness and/or confusion, discontinue use and consult a healthcare practitioner, as these may be symptoms of serious low blood sugar. Do not use if safety seal is broken. Store tightly sealed in a cool, dry place. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.